got another unboxing video, and this time it's Letterbox lashes. So this is how it arrived. They ship out on the 10th of every month. I'm a little bit late uploading. It's a school summer holidays here in Wales, and yeah, everything's all a bit up in the air, so I am a bit late in posting this up, sorry. But this is my second box. I had one last month. I will link the video down below or up above in the cards, so you can take a look if you want to see what I received last month. I wanted to try this box out. It's a relatively new subscription box. As the title suggests, it is a false lash subscription box. So the cost of this box is £10, and that includes postage and packaging. It's only within the UK. In every box it contains 4 sets of false eyelashes and a little pot of glue. In last month's box we had a little freebie, and it was a ring, so I'm not sure if that's something every month or whether that's just because I signed up for it last month or not. But you get to choose what type of subscription you want. So you can opt for just complete day lashes. You have 4 sets of day lashes, or 4 sets of night lashes, or you can combine, so 2 day lashes and 2 night lashes, which is what I've gone for. So when you sign up, you are locked in for 2 months, so after 2 months you are free to cancel any time. The type of lashes I like to wear are gel lashes. I like the wispy ones. I also like Girls with Attitude in Primark as well, and yeah, some vintage cosmetics companies. So I like a few, but they're generally £10 and below, so that's sort of my bracket. But so if you're above that, then I'm not sure if you would quite like these lashes. The strips tend to be quite a little bit heavy on your lids from last month anyway, but we'll see. This month could be completely different. So let's open it and see what's inside. Right, I've got to tell you something, and I'm really embarrassed about it, and it's to do with my teeth. Just in case you see it, I feel that I have to tell you. I've got weird teeth, and I happen to have a baby tooth. Well, I did. At 42 years of age, I still had a baby tooth in my mouth. Well, a couple of years ago, the adult tooth started growing behind it. I was asked by a dentist if I wanted to have the baby tooth pulled out and then wear a brace then to bring the adult tooth forward, and I was like, no, it's fine. The baby tooth is strong, it's fine. Over the last couple of months, I've noticed that it's been getting really wobbly. Well, last night it came out, so I've got a gap in the front there. You can see the adult tooth behind it, but it's still a big black gap. I can't smile. So, until I sort something out with a dentist, if you happen to see a darkness there, it's a baby tooth. It's not a rotten tooth or anything like that. It's just a baby tooth that fell out last night. It should have fallen out many years ago. Anyway, carry on with the box. I'm opening it up properly this time. Last month I opened it up from the side. So I'm opening it up here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So inside you get some leaflets. I'll just put those to the side. Packaging is gorgeous, and there's the lashes, and there's the glue there as well. Oh my gosh, they look beautiful. Oh my gosh, they do look gorgeous. Oh. I love lashes. I love them, so that's what they look like. So I'll put this down to the side and I'll show you individually. So the leaflets that you get is Lashes Speak Louder Than Words, and it's just got a Letterbox lashes on there. Then there's like a little business card as well of Letterbox lashes, and with the social media details there. And then you've got a step-by-step instructions on how to apply your lashes, which is really good. So it gives you some detailed information there. As with all my unboxings, I will link everything down below, so click on the show more and that will bring up the description, and all the details of this unboxing will be there. So no free gift this month. I reckon that was because I just subscribed, but that's fine. It's because I wasn't expecting it anyway. Right, as far as I'm aware, there isn't any refer a friend codes or money off. I'm not sure, but if I do find something, I will link it down below. So the glue is non-branded. It just comes in a little pot like this. But from last month's glue, I found it okay. It worked really well. It was clear as well. It's got all the ingredients inside the glue, which is good to know if you've any of you've got certain allergies to glues and ingredients. 2 day style lashes. So these are Katy. They're exactly the shape I go for. I love a tapered eyelash because I've got quite small eyes. I tend to chop them shorter anyway, but I do love it tapered. I just don't like the full doll effect of eyelashes on me anyway. But no, I love those. Those look really nice, and they look so similar to the Girls with Attitude lashes, or even the Ardell lashes, the wispy ones. You know, they seem really nice. So the next one is Katy, and these are another day style. These are really pretty, really pretty. I like the band on them. See there, they're much wispier, but very, very fine, but fluffy, and the band seems really nice, and I like a nice thin band, so that I can get away with not wearing any like liquid eyeliner or anything, just to help disguise the band. But no, those are soft, they're lovely. So on to the night ones now. First one is absolutely amazing. They're huge, and these are called Kelsey. Well, look at them, they are ginormous. They are so big. They are really, really fluffy. Now the band is heavy, and I don't like these type of ones, and that's why I tend to not wear them, only because I just don't like the feel that I'm wearing big, heavy false eyelashes on my eyes. It's all different lengths, and they're all really, really fluffy. I'm gonna have to try them. Really nice, dramatic nighttime makeup. Again, these are absolutely gorgeous, and these are called Jazz. My daughter's called Jazz. Well, I call her Jazz. Her name is Jasmine, so I love the name. They are super beautiful. They are really fluffy. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. But it's really fluffy, really nice, really pretty. And again, I love this tapered style where it tends to be shorter and then elongates outwards. Really flattering. Oh, I love them. I am going to have to trim those though. Those are quite big. So, what one shall I try today? Shall I try the ones that remind me of the ones I already buy, like the Ardell lashes or the Girls with Attitude ones, or the Katy Day style ones? I will, and I'll compare. As with all my lashes, I'm going to have to trim because they're just too big for me. I'm going to have to just trim very, very ends. Nothing negative to do with this lash subscription box. It's just the fact that my eyes are tiny. So using a tiny pair of little scissors I bought recently in Primark, and they've got, typical, they've got a little bit of eyelash stuck already on there from my last pair. The only thing I don't like about these lashes, and I noticed it in last month's box as well, is that you know that the lashes need to stick here, so they have to have a certain amount of glue on them. But there's a ton of glue on these. I'm not sure if the camera will be able to pick it up, but it's quite wide. You can really see the glue comes right down, so I'm going to have to peel that off, but I have to be so careful because I don't want to wreck the actual lashes. Normally you just get like a little dot, don't you? On some of them you get a dot either side of glue and you can easily peel off, but no, these aren't. These are, the glue is right down. Right, so I'm going to apply the lashes, and I'll probably speed this part up, and then I'll come back and show you, and we'll go up close and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Right, that's the lashes. They are really pretty to look at. They are very similar to the type of eyelashes I would go for, and I definitely wear this style 100%. I absolutely love it. But the only thing is that is the glue. It's the glue. So for instance, you know, I take some photos of my eye makeup to put on YouTube and on my Facebook page and things like that. Well, if I wore these lashes, while I do that, if I look down, it will just wreck the makeup look. It just wouldn't look nice. I'll show you what I mean. So when I look down, maybe you'll be able to see there, you can see the glue. I've tried to pull it off, but it is really, really hard to get off. So the only thing I can think of doing is maybe soaking them and then trying to pick the glue off. But you can see the glue quite clearly, and it just makes it look quite messy. So the eyelashes are stuck fine, but it just, the glue makes it look messy from looking sideways to looking above. But you know, they're really pretty lashes, and that is a shame. I am going to open up a few of the others to see if they're like that as well. These day ones, which are Anna, are completely fine. Now the two light ones, the big fluffy ones, the Kelsey. No, again, it's only on the band. And then the other ones, which are the Jazz, the really nice, gorgeous, fluffy ones. There is a little bit more glue there, but not as bad as these ones. It just happened to be I chose these ones for the video. The three out of the four haven't got massive amount of glue, but they still have a little bit of glue, which is a bit of a pain. But these ones, as you can see when you had a look down, you can see there's quite a lot there. But it's a shame because I love these ones and I think I would wear these again. I do like the lashes. They feel gorgeous on my eyes. They don't, well, gorgeous as lashes can be. But they don't feel weighty or anything. The nighttime lashes, I'm not used to wearing them, so that I am going to feel them a little bit more on my eyelids. But that's nothing against the actual, you know, the subscription. It's just my taste. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I've got a few more unboxings to go until the end of August, so they'll be coming up in the next day or two. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.